Hi, my name is Derek Vogel. I'm in the Division of Pulmonary and Critical Care. I am originally from Omaha and grew up here. I went to medical school here at UNMC, followed by residency over in Iowa City, and then came back here for fellowship. What really drew me into pulmonary and critical care was just the variability and the different things that you're able to do in the specialty, working in a very intense environment in the ICU, plus doing things in the outpatient setting and helping people with their chronic shortness of breath and things along those of that nature, as well as doing procedures that I find enjoyable. So I'll ultimately end up treating a number of conditions in the hospital and the ICU. I'll be taking care of very sick people that are on things like the ventilator and things like that, and helping them hopefully get better. And then in the outpatient setting, I'll be helping people with things like COPD, chronic respiratory conditions, as well as people with pulmonary nodules, things along those lines, and helping form and come up with a diagnosis so we can help treat them and figure out what's going on. I've liked medicine and just science and biology ever since I was young and growing up. And then the mix of being able to help people and take care of people with that in a field that's always changing and evolving is something that I knew, at least from high school, that this is what I wanted to do, and then proceeded from there. So I knew from being in medical school here that I really liked UNMC. I really liked the environment, the people that we work with, and everything like that. I am really excited to help with some of the curriculum and teaching the fellows as well as the residents. I had a lot of good role models from when I was in medical school and fellowship here, and I really want to give back and help expand and help the future doctors learn and everything as well. I always knew that I wanted to come back and be in Omaha. I really like it here. My family's here. Outside of medicine, I really enjoy spending time with my family. My wife is a nephrologist. We have a new baby boy that we like hanging out with and taking and doing a lot of fun stuff, as well as going on walks with our dog. Both of us are really into things like space, so we have a telescope and we go out and we try to look at the stars and things when we can, and go into different museums, things like that. And then we also really like trivia. It's been a little bit harder with him, but we're going to start venturing out and getting him to the trivias, the weekly trivias that we like, and being with our friends.